Hi everyone, my name is Maggie Shadraba.
And I'm Susanna Missick with Home Life Zimmerman Real Estate.
And we are here in charming Bracebridge, Ontario.
A vibrant community in the heart of beautiful Muskoka.
Located less than 2 hours from Toronto.
Bracebridge is a desirable location for entrepreneurs and business professionals who believe that it is achievable to connect success in business with fulfillment in life.
Our new development, consisting of 2 phases and 14 freehold townhomes, is set in one of the more desirable locations in town, with public access to the Muskoka River and only a 5-minute walk to the vibrant Bracebridge downtown.
Each home is beautifully upgraded with high-quality finishings, functional layouts, and aesthetically pleasing design.
We have 3 ready-to-move-in homes available in Phase 1. Phase 2, now under construction, has 8 units to choose from.
The 2-story townhomes range in sizes from 1,600 square feet to almost 2,800 square feet. This is the ideal place for you and your family to call home.
Take advantage of our pre-construction prices now
Call us today for more details.
and to reserve your new home.